What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So, for this video guys, may nais akong i-share sa inyo. Alam nyo ba na pwede kayong kumita kung ikaw ay credit card holder ni Union Bank? Pwede kayong kumita guys ng 4,000 pesos e-gift. Kaya naman sa video nito guys, pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba maging affiliate or paano nga ba kumita via referral sa Union Bank credit cards. Pag-uusapan natin yung step-by-step process para maka-generate kayo ng code, which is yun yung isi-share ninyo sa mga new applicants ng Union Bank credit cards. Kasi hindi siya basta qualified kayo kapag may Union Bank credit card kayo, may kailangan muna kayong gawin para magkaroon kayo ng unique code, which is yun yung parang referral codes. Itong code na to guys is natural na sinishare sa iba. It's because this is what we called referral code, which is normal naman ito. Pag-uusapan natin yung mga step-by-step process. At saka alam nyo ba ngayon guys na 6,000 pesos yung pwede nyong ma-earn? Kasi nagpo-promo minsan sa Union Bank sa pwede ninyong ma-earn kapag ikaw ay mayroon successful referral application. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, ending soon, get a 6,000 pesos e-gift for every approved referral. So ito kasi guys is naka-promo ngayon, parang may certain period of time lang na which is pwede kayo makapag-earn ng 6,000. Tapos yung regular amount na pwede nyo ma-earn which is e-gift, ayan nakalagay is ending soon, get a 6,000 pesos e-gift for every approved referral. So mamaya, i-share ko pa sa inyo yung further details about this. Then as you can see naman, ayan si ate girl, masayang-masaya siya. It's because 6,000 pesos na yung ma-earn niya every successful referral application. Or yung kapag ni-refer nila, tapos na-approve yung application na yon, 6,000 yung ma-earn niyang e-gift. Turn every referral into rewards. For a limited time, every approved Union Bank credit card referral earns you 6,000 pesos e-gift. So, ito yung mga step-by-step process guys kung paano nga ba kayo magsimula para magkaroon kayo ng sinasabi kong unique referral code or yung reference code para ma-generate ninyo kapag ikaw ay Union Bank credit card holder. So, here's how you get started. Generate your referral link. Click the Refer Now button below to generate your unique referral link. To qualify for the promo, your referral must apply using this link only. So as you can see naman, using this link only. So take note lang guys, since Union Bank is telling here or saying here na i-click ninyo yung link, just make sure guys na mula sa official Union Bank email address nagmula yung email na yon. Kasi legit naman itong part na to na i-click tapos ipupunta kayo ngayon. Make sure lang guys na kapag click niyo yung link na binigay ni Union Bank, ganito yung lalabas. Union Bank, start referring now, step 1, ganyan. Yan yun. Tapos mamaya pag-uusapan pa natin to. Balik muna tayo dito sa iba pang details. Nakalagay is generate your referral link. Click the Refer Now button below to generate your unique referral link. To qualify for the promo, your referral must apply using this link only. So kung kayo guys ay wala pang credit card, bago pa lang kayo sa credit card, no? Nasa description, yung link guys, yung referral link ko mismo. Kasi meron na rin ako kasi nag-generate ako, ganyan. Para kung mag-apply kayo, dyan na kayo mag-apply sa link ko kasi baka ma-approve kayo. Kasi minsan, may mass approval si Union Bank when it comes to credit card application. At magandang chance yun guys. Kaya naman, i-check niyo yung description ng vlog na ito, ng video na ito, andyan yung referral link ko. Then mag-apply kayo. Legit naman yan guys, kasi galing yan mismo sa Union Bank online banking ko. Yun. Step 2 is share your link. Ayan, nakalagay is share your link. Ganun yung ginawa ko. Share ko na yung link ko ngayon, nakalagay ngayon sa description para magkaroon ako ng rewards. Ganun. Tapos pag na-approve ka na, then mag-generate ka na ng referral code or yung referral link mo para at least ikaw naman yung kumita sa mga friends mo na mag-a-apply pa lang sa Union Bank credit card. Share your link. Share it to friends applying for their first Union Bank credit card, example with no existing Union Bank principal credit card in the past 6 months. So as you can see dito guys is first applicant. So ibig sabihin wala pa siyang existing credit card ni Union Bank, no? Kumbaga ito yung first time niya magkakaroon siya ng Union Bank credit card, then mag-a-apply siya, then ganun gagana yung e-gift na sinasabi. Then pangatlo is earn 6,000 e-gift for every successful referral. For every approved and qualified referral receive 4,000 pesos e-gift regular offer. Nakalagay dito is regular offer. It's because itong 6,000 is naka-promo lang siya ngayon. Then mag-e-end na siya as you just read for the first, sa sinabi ko pa lang nung una, na mag-e-end na siya ending soon. Then, after nyan, 4,000 na yung regular e-gift na ma-earn ninyo in every successful referral. Plus 2,000 pesos flash bonus. So, ito yung sinasabi ko ngayon kaya nag-6,000 siya. That's a total of 6,000 pesos e-gift per successful referral during the promo period. Redeemable at participating gift-away merchant. So, papadalan kayo ng gift-away code which is yun yung i-redeem ninyo kung gusto. Then, promo validity. Offer is valid for eligible credit card applications submitted via referral link on or before July 31, 2026. So, pa-end na siya guys as I have just mentioned. But don't worry kasi minsan nagpo-promo na naman sila ulit. So, abang-abang lang kayo guys, baka mag 6,000 na naman siya. But don't worry kasi kahit wala na to tapos na, may 4,000 pesos pa rin naman na e-gift which is yun yung regular offer ni Union Bank. Then, your next reward is just one referral away. Start sharing today. Nakalagay is refer now. So, i-click mo yan, then yun, magkakaroon na kayo ng chance na i-share yung link ninyo para pa-applyin na yung mga friends mong mayayaman para magkaroon sila ng credit card. Ganon. Then, kung paano nga ba magkaroon guys ng referral link, so kanina, share ko sa inyo yung step-by-step process kung paano mag-refer, no? So ngayon, paano nga ba kayo magkaroon ng referral link or referral code sa Union Bank para mag-earn kayo ng 4,000 pesos e-gift from Union Bank in every successful referral application? So as you can see dito guys, may text message si Union Bank. Nakalagay is, turn referrals into rewards. Earn 4,000 pesos e-gifts for every friend who gets approved as a new Union Bank Principal Credit Card holder. No limit referrals. Keep earning with every approved friend. Generate your link at unionbank.com/r/refer now and share today. Transactions apply. So, yan, nakalagay, di ba? Malinaw. So, ito ay text message, guys. Be aware lang kayo guys sa mga nagte-text na may mga link, no? Kasi hindi lahat ng text message is legit or officially from Union Bank. So make sure lang guys na maging vigilant when it comes to checking about SMS or text messages. So like for example here, text message ito ni Union Bank, may link siya. So as you can see, yan yung link which is unionbankph.com/r/refer now. So kapag hindi ganyan, huwag niyong i-click kasi iba yon. Hindi yun galing mismo sa Union Bank. So, sinishare ko to para maging aware kayo. Assure kasi naman kapag click niyo yung link na yan guys, which is unionbankph.com/r/refer now, ito yung lalabas dapat. So, kapag hindi ito yung lumabas, hindi yun. Mali yun. Ibang text message yun. So, wag nyo nang i-push yung pinaplano ninyo. Yung exit na lang kayo, no? Para at least safe kayo. Start referring now. Ayan, nakalagay yung logo ni Union Bank. Then step 1, please enter the last 6 digits of your registered mobile number with Union Bank. So kung ano yung ginamit yung mobile number guys, nung nag-apply kayo, halimbawa na-approve na kayo, di ba? Tapos kung ano yung ginamit yung mobile number nung nag-apply kayo, yung last 6 digits yung ilalagay nyo dito sa step 1. Then yung step 2 is, please enter the last 4 digits of your Union Bank credit card. So, don't worry guys, kasi as you can see naman is last 4 digits lang yung hinihingi. So, don't worry kasi last 4 digits lang. Kapag hinihingi na yung full credit card number, yung CVV, expiry date, lahat-lahat, tsaka yung, alam mo yun, lahat ng details sa card, red flag yun. Do not continue that transaction. Just exit from that platform kasi iba yung link na yun. Hindi yun legitimate na galing sa Union Bank official sender. Then, kapag nalagay na ninyo yung last 6 digits ng mobile number ninyo at saka yung last 4 digits, create your unique referral link. Click nyo lang. Then, papadala na kayo niyan ng referral code which is yung unique referral code and then yung link ninyo. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Then, ngayon, kapag nakapag-create na ng ninyo, unique link. So, share kasi naman dito is share mo siya sa friends ninyo since nakapag-create na kayo. Share the link with your friends and family via social media or your favorite messaging application. So, parang affiliate kayo dyan guys ni Union Bank. Then, note, applicant must complete his or her application through referral link. Referrals must not have a Union Bank credit card or Citibank credit card. So, ito guys, note, nakalagay is, applicant must complete his or her application through your referral link. So, dapat, since from the very start, hanggang natapos yung application niya sa Union Bank credit card, dapat sa link mo lang talaga. Para ma-qualify kayo for e-gift na 4,000 pesos kapag na-approve yung application na yon. Then yung referrals must not have a Union Bank or Citibank credit card. So, yung i-refer ninyo, yung friend ninyo, wala pa dapat siyang Union Bank credit card and Citibank credit card. Then, as you can see, step 3 is, once you have qualified, you will receive an SMS with your promo code and redemption details. So, kapag na-approve yung application na yon, makaka-receive kayo ng text message, guys, saying na i-redeem nyo na yung details at yung step-by-step process kapag may complete or kung may successful referred application kayo. Kapag na-approve yung application ng ni-refer ninyo. So, ako guys, wala pa akong ma-share kasi wala pang na-approve. Kaya naman ngayon, kung wala ka pang credit card, go to the comment section at saka sa description dahil ilalagay ko yung referral link ko para baka ma-approve kayo sa link ko guys. Baka kasi nag-apply na kayo dati pa, tapos hindi kayo na-approve. Kasi okay lang naman kasi kapag nag-apply kayo before, basta wala pa kayong credit card, pag na-approve kayo sa link ko, malin nyo naman, sa link ko na kayo ma-approve. That would be nice, no? Diba? So, punta kayo sa description and comment section. So, yun lamang guys. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!